Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of February. And first of all, national news. Haldwani on track for normalcy. Schools to open but not in riot hit area. Haryana converted two stadiums into temporary jails ahead of farmers' march to Delhi. Farmers protest march. Delhi police blocked roads, steps up security. AIMS Delhi introduced advanced surgery for skin cancer treatment. Ease My Trip announced five-star luxury hotel in Ayodhya near Ram Mandir. In 2 or 3 years, India will move ahead of Japan, Germany. Vice President. Xiaomi has the biggest share in India's smartphone market at 18%. Border forces recovered China made drone near Indo-Pak border in Punjab. Education system based on Indian values is need of the hour. PM Narendra Modi. PM Modi launched 7,550 crore development projects in Madhya Pradesh, Jhabua. Won't allow Devbhumi's essence to deteriorate. Pushkar Dhami on Haldwani violence. Now, international news. King Charles attended church in first public outing since cancer announcement. Totally up for the fight. To win UK general elections, Rishi Sunak said. Israel PM promises safe passage to Palestinians ahead of big military operation. Imran Khan party workers protested, clash with cops over Pak poll results, a report said. And now some sports news. Jammu and Kashmir beat Puducherry by 19 runs. Australia beat the West Indies by 34 runs in the second 2020 international. Real Madrid's Jude Bellingham to miss Leipzig trip with ankle sprain. India lost to Australia in the Under 19 World Cup final. Sumit Nagal won Chennai Open, set to enter top 100. Business related news. Cisco to fire thousands to focus on high growth areas, a report said. LIC became fifth most valued Indian firm, Reliance tops list. And now, science related news. NASA shared stunning 3D view of Orion Nebula to mark Chinese Lunar Year. And that's solid news. Thank you.